How many valves does the human heart have? A5, B3, C4, D6. Right. Which part of the human body produces insulin which regulates glucose in the blood? A. Thyroid. B. Pancreas. C. Lungs. D. Kidneys. Right. Which part of the human body contains 70% of sensors? A. Ear. B. Tongue. C. Nose. D. Eye. Right. Toxins are eliminated through the human skin by the process called A. Molting. B. Ventilating. C. Sweating. D. None of these. Right. Deficiency of what causes the disease goiter? A. Potassium. B. Sodium. C. Iodine. D. Magnesium. Right. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of what in blood? A. Plasma. B. Hemoglobin. C. Red blood corpuscles. D. White blood corpuscles. Right. Lack of which pigment causes albinism in people? A. Melanin. B. Insulin. C. Keratin. D. Iodine. Right. What is the name of the parasite that is found to live on the human head? A. Louse. B. Termite. C. Dust mite. D. Flea. Right. What is the normal temperature for the human body? A. 36 degrees Celsius. B. 37 degrees Celsius. C. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. D. B and C. Right. What is the common name for angina? A. Heart attack. B. Stroke. C. Common cold. D. Headache. Right.